Good morning, children. In P block elements, today we will discuss chlorine. क्लोरीन ग्रीक वर्ड क्लोरस से बना हुआ है, जिसका मीनिंग ये होता है ग्रीनिश येलो. इन डे टू डे लाइफ यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड कि पानी को क्लोरीनेट किया गया तो पानी इज बीइंग नाउ safe for drinking. Okay, so in our municipality also the drinking water is sanitized by chlorine tablets are available. How to prepare chlorine? Heating manganese dioxide with concentrated HCl. So MnO2 plus 4 HCl will give us MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. So this chlorine will be obtained. Same question will be asked when MnO2 is treated with H2SO4 and NaCl, salt, common salt and H2SO4. Then again Cl2 will be obtained. Here the products are MnCl2 plus 4NaHS4, sodium hydrogen sulfate and water, and chlorine, the desired product chlorine will be obtained. So in this way it is prepared. Second method is HCl and KMnO4, treatment of KMnO4 with HCl. So you see potassium permanganate plus HCl will give us KCl, manganese chloride and H2O and chlorine will be obtained. How it is manufactured industrially? Decon's process. Oxidation of HCl gas by atmospheric oxygen in presence of cuprous chloride. It is cupric chloride, and it is as a catalyst is used. So it is given the reaction is 4HCl plus O2 oxygen in presence of cupric chloride. It will give us Cl2, that is desired product, that is chlorine plus H2O. Second method is by electrolysis, electrolytic method of obtaining the chlorine. Chlorine is also obtained by electrolysis of brine. What is brine beta? Concentrated NaCl को कहते हैं brine solution. So concentrated NaCl solution is brine. इसका electrolysis करते हैं तो एनोड पे chlorine gas is obtained. Okay. Chlorine is also obtained as a byproduct in many chemical industries. Okay, as a byproduct. Then what are the properties of chlorine? So how in exam the questions will be asked, you just get prepared beta. Write the Decon's process of manufacture of chlorine. So we have to write this process. Write the which product is obtained on anode if electrolysis of brine is done. Then MCQ mein it will be asked. So we will write here MCQ. MCQ mein this can be asked. So chlorine is obtained at anode. Fine. And what happens when KMnO4 reacts with HCl? Then we have to find out. Main product is chlorine and baki ke product we have to write as such, that is KCl, MnCl2, H2O and Cl2. Now what are the properties of chlorine? Chlorine greenish yellow gas hai. It has a pungent and suffocating odor. You must have felt, now you are in 12th standard, you must have felt the smell of chlorine. In drinking water also sometimes more chlorine tablets are put, then the suffocating odor comes. About 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It is easily liquefied to greenish yellow liquid which boils at 239 Kelvin temperature. Okay, liquefy करते हैं. Soluble in water. As I said you, water के purification में it is used, so it is easily soluble in water. It forms chloride when it reacts with metals and non-metals. So here should I write here reaction with metals, reaction with metals give chloride. So Al plus Cl2, aluminium plus chlorine will give us aluminium chloride, aluminium trichloride. So here should I balance 2AlCl3. Similarly sodium plus chlorine, we know it is common salt, sodium chloride. When it reacts with non-metals plus chlorine will give us chloride again. So P4, phosphorus plus chlorine will give us phosphorus trichloride. Sulfur S8 plus chlorine will give us sulfur chloride S2Cl2. So in this way it reacts with metals as well as non-metals to give the corresponding chlorides. It has great affinity for hydrogen. When it reacts with hydrogen, it gives hydrogen chloride. हाइड्रोजन कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड के साथ भी ये रिएक्शन करेगा. दिस इज हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. सो हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड plus chlorine will give us HCl plus S. One more compound is there in the book, that is C10H16. C10H16 plus chlorine will give us HCl and 10 carbon. So what is C10H16 actually? It is cyclodecane. Cyclodecane या decine, whatever you pronounce it. Cyclodecane plus 8Cl2 will give us 16 HCl plus 10 carbon. ये cyclic compound है. This compound is cyclic compound. Alkyne is CnH2n minus 2, and so it is if it is in cyclic form, तो it is known as cyclodecane. Cyclic में और minus 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, so it is cyclodecane alkyne series का है. Fine. Then comes with excess of ammonia, chlorine gives nitrogen and ammonium chloride. Ammonia plus Cl2 will give us ammonium chloride plus nitrogen gas will be produced. How the question will come that when ammonia in excess is treated with chlorine, so the product will be different. When chlorine will be in excess, then the product will be different. When excess chlorine is there, then ammonia plus chlorine, that is in excess. दोनों में देखो यहाँ, here NH3 is in excess, here chlorine is in excess. Then this is nitrogen trichloride, which is an explosive. Nitrogen trichloride, it is explosive. Okay, and then HCl will be formed. Okay, so you go through the reactions, learn the reactions. Tomorrow I will explain you further.